Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and we're going to show you these four-piece sets, let me get it right, of what we think is continental bone china dating from between 1860 and 1890. I think, all things said, it hasn't got a factory marking on it. All we've got is the pattern reference number. We have tried doing all the usual research to identify the pattern of factory, but I think this is probably Dresden, just by the shape and the sheer exuberance of the gilt decoration on it. Let's have a look over it and show you some of the details. Lovely sloping sided teacup. Just look at the decoration detail here, all palpable, hand painted, little jewel rose buds in a garland, central motif with the gilt decoration. Now that's what is really outstanding on these sets. All this is applied by hand. Palpable, thick gilt with these little tails of decoration around the base, and little almost pedestal base foot, just the remnants of the decorator's mark. We'll show you that in more detail in a minute on one of the bigger pieces of flatware. Just an arch supported handle again with gilt detailing down the outer side and on both inners. Lovely pieces of pure white bone china, and then the just over 5.5 inch saucer. Again, quite a deep continental shape. Just look at that, the way it arches up to this plain rim. Again, with thick gilt detailing around there. Central saucer well demarcated by a further line of gilt. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks of individual palpable painted rose decoration. And these tails of gilt from the border decorations all the way around. And that sits on a slightly larger side plate or T-plate, again with 6 blocks of hand-painted decoration. Inclusions in the glaze when we tip that, but just look at the, can I get a glaze reflection on there? There we go. Incredibly clean, very little wear. There's that decorator's reference mark again, if I bring that in, A5065, and that's all any of these pieces have on, and it is quite an extensive set that we've got and we're putting together. This is the dessert plate which we are supplying in the 4-piece sets of these teacups. Again, beautiful 7 3/4 inch plain rim, 6 blocks of that hand decoration again. Just look at the glaze reflection on that. Again, absolutely near perfect condition. 3 little pot stands on the base, the A5065 mark, and again a very clean underside. Absolutely gorgeous. The detailing on this with that pink rosebud decoration and the high gilt detailing on these sets makes them absolutely wonderful. And we've got lots of them as well. Just bring some of the other pieces. These aren't set up as quads, they're just in trios at the moment, but they are absolutely spectacular, and they'll make a very nice 6-person party service. We have got the covered sugar bowl to go with this, very ornate piece, a bell-bottom milk jug, 2 cake plates with bows. Just let me give you an indication of how gorgeous they are. If I bring them into camera, just look at those with the detailing on them. A nice, probably 8-inch round, really beautifully decorated cake plate. So opportunity to put quite a large collection together, or just if you're looking for one of these quad sets as a spectacular addition to your teacup collection, really couldn't recommend them more highly. If you pop on the description below, the link will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these sets are going on sale this afternoon. Thanks for watching.